Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I got a nice size package here, a little bit of heft to it, in the mail. Now this is from the same person that sent the little pocket EDC tool I got the other day. An old friend who used to work for a different company has branched off and formed their own company. And asked if I would like to try this out and let people know what I think. So it says PwPAM, that's the Amazon seller account. Let's see what we got here, and that is the name on it. PwPAM, Smart Solar Panel Charger. So we have a couple carabiners and we've got here a solar panel and a carrying case. Well, look at the size of that carrying case. I'm going to sit down so I can see better what I'm doing. Wow, look at that, all professional. It's pretty cool to see somebody branch out. I've talked to this person for years, I think, and to branch out and have their own brand is really cool. You got to be feeling pretty good about that. That's pretty neat. So a 21 watt solar charger. The more you use, the more you save. That's a fact. And we do at home too. We use our solar all the time. Oh look, camouflage. Cool. Look at that. Now that's not a bad size. Look at, got a nice spread. Look at my hand on there. Pretty decent size, but yet mega thin. It's not really flexible. I don't know if you'd want to bend it or smash it, but it does show somebody rubbing like a key across it. It's got a soft, weird, squishy feel. The texture, pebble texture. I'd be curious to see how this performs in the sunlight. Actually, I think I'm going to plug my phone into it and see if I can get any charging just from the overhead lights in here. That'd be curious. We would need at least an amp to charge my phone. Now let me see the back side. It's the lightest and thinnest of any of this type of device I've ever seen. So there's not much to it as far as weight. And then we've got USB 1 and USB 2 and a Type C. There's 3 connections on here. That's unique and rare. Peak power 5 volt 21 watts. Maximum power output per port 5 volt 3 amps. 11.4 by 7.7 by 1.2 inches when folded, and actually most of that is your charging port. And weight 560 grams. What is that, about a pound? Yeah, obviously this is not a battery. So the back side, there you have it. I'm gonna go get my look. It's showing a charge indicator. The LED is on. And it turns off obviously when I set it down. I'm gonna get my phone and see if that'll have enough to charge it, just out of curiosity. Wrong side. Trying to do this while looking through the camera. I don't know what to expect under a fluorescent light inside a building. Nope, not putting out an amp. I didn't think so, but it was fun to try. I wouldn't be surprised though if this can charge some smaller lightweight devices. I have a USB meter. It's a gauge that plugs in and it'll read. I'm curious. I'm going to try that on this one day. So anyway, there it is. We're going to be taking this out in the field and trying it out. You can hook it up onto your backpack on the go with the included carabiners and keep it in your pouch when not in use, which is definitely advisable to protect it from harm. Look at that, pretty cool. Well guys, I'll put the links down below and you can go and check it out. It's like I said, it's about the thinnest, most lightweight of all the solar devices I've seen of this type so far. And I'll be doing a full review and field testing on this in the coming days. So stay tuned and watch. Meanwhile, please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive, well, not daily much anymore with this winter time, but, you know, follow our videos that we do as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. And having a folding solar panel is definitely a big step towards going off the grid and becoming self-sufficient and energy independent. Well, thank you very much. I'll put the links down below. I'm saying thank you to my friend. Pretty cool to see this. I'll put the links down below and you can go ahead and buy them now and watch for updates. Talk to you all later.